The Baxter Center is unique in so many different ways because they really prioritize making sure that teachers get the supplies they need when they need them.
A teacher comes to a workshop that's totally free, and then they gain access to the Baxter Box loaning program. We have a lending library that's full of all of the equipment you need to do things like DNA analysis, forensic analysis in the classroom.
They bring the kits with reagents to my school for free. They always let me know that if I need help, they'll help me set it up. Having people with expertise just come into your room, no judgment, so helpful. It's the only thing I've found, and I've been teaching for 18 years.
We want to make sure that the people who are teaching science to young people in our communities have all the tools they need in order to teach science as effectively as they possibly can.
The Baxter Center for Science Education then created a research experience for teachers. The skills learned by teachers in this workshop are then brought back to their students for the upcoming school year.
We all act like learners whenever we are doing those labs. We are inquisitive, we are curious, we are looking at the things from students' perspective.
One of my favorite memories was participating in a research experience for teachers through the Baxter program. We were using sea urchins to do in vitro fertilization, and it was like amazing. And so I kind of got really super involved, and it really helped in a public school system to bring that high-level science into the classroom.
I'm an older teacher, and none of these things were invented when I was in school. Someone who didn't have the skills or background now all of a sudden has the skills and background. And without them, I'd be light years behind.
When the teachers come in, they learn these skills, the knowledge and techniques. I can tell by the end they feel really empowered by what they've learned, especially because these are state-of-the-art techniques and knowledge that they get to bring back to their students, and it becomes this ripple effect where they get to disseminate that to the other teachers, their students. And so it becomes this chain of reactions, and I think that's really, really powerful.
This is really like, how would you teach kids about this? And how would you authentically put it into your curriculum? And here's all this free time. We trust you as teacher professionals to use it and develop something.
Good schools don't just require good teachers, they require administrators who have a vision and who trust their teachers to bring ideas to them that will benefit their students.
We at CESP are interested in making the biggest possible impact we can on our communities, our country, and the world. We think the way to have the biggest possible effect in making kids' lives better is by empowering the educators.
We know that teachers are already amazing, and we're here to provide them with more tools if they need them.
There are no barriers to participation in the workshops, in the loaner program, in all of the wonderful resources that the Baxter Center has to provide other than that teacher's investment.